So today I'm going to show you how to convert a color photograph into black and white. And there's a couple different ways to do this, but this is the best way that I have found to do it. So when you go to your layers palette, you have your background layer right there that's locked in place. We're not going to touch it. And then there's a black and white sphere that I call the black and white cookie. And then if you click on it, this menu pops up. And we've used some of these already for single image edits, so you should know where this is. And then these are a couple different options that all work for converting something to black and white, but I prefer to use the black and white option because it allows you to go in and change each color channel individually so you get the most precise results. It just gives you a little bit more control than the other options do. So in this image in particular, I want to make sure that my silhouetted figure stands out from the background, but I don't want to lose any detail in the background. And so I'm just going to carefully slide all of these, and then you can also toggle to make sure that those are the results that you actually want. And that's how you convert an image to black and white.